Welcome to FCXHub. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up your first center, then create the 3 types of sessions you'll use every day: a one-off class, a weekly term class, and a multi-day camp. By the end, you'll also know how to publish a registration form so parents can sign up online. Let's get started. Everything in FCXHub starts with a center. That's your venue, club, or academy location. From the sidebar, click Centers, and you'll see any centers you've already added. To create a new one, click New Center. Give it a name. I'll call this one My Center Test. Then add the address and, optionally, your website. This makes it easy for staff and customers to find you. Next, pick the programs your center offers: tennis, basketball, volleyball, whatever you run. If a program isn't in the list, just type it in and click Add. I'll add football now, so it's available for the rest of the setup. Hit Save, and your center is ready to host classes, camps, coaches, and registrations. Now let's talk sessions. FCXHub gives you 3 ways to schedule. A class is a single one-off session. Think a Saturday clinic. A term class is the same weekly slot repeated across a school term. And a camp is a multi-day block, like a school holiday program. Pick the one that matches how you actually run your sessions. Let's start simple. On the Classes page, click New Class. Pick your center, the program, and the coach running the session. Then set the date, the start and end time, and your capacity. If you want to lock in a specific court, choose a venue. And if it's a skill-based group, pick a skill level 2. Click Save, and your class is live. You'll see it in your classes list and on the calendar straight away. To define your skill levels, go to Settings, then select Skill Levels. Here, you will see a list of all the sports your center provides. For this example, we will choose football. Next, click Add Skill Level. You can create as many levels as you need, and for each level, you can add clear criteria and a description. The description is important because it will be used later by your AI receptionist when answering customer questions and helping people find the right class for their level. You can also choose a color code for each skill level, making it easier to identify levels quickly across the system. For weekly sessions, choose Term Class instead. This is the one you'll use for after-school programs and anything that repeats through a term. The top of the form is the same: center, program, coach, capacity. Then set your term start and end dates, pick the day of the week, and the weekly time slot. FCXHub will render every week between those 2 dates automatically. You don't need to create each Monday one by one. Any public holidays that fall inside your term are skipped automatically, so you won't accidentally schedule a class on Easter Monday. Save it, and the whole term populates in your calendar in one go. Camps are a little different because each day can have its own booking options. Let's create one. Click New Class, then Camp. Give the camp a name. I'll call this Summer Tennis Camp. Then pick your center, program, and lead coach. Now add each day of the camp. For every day, set the full day start and end times and choose what parents can book: full day only, half day only, or full day and half day, where parents pick either at checkout. As soon as you enable half day, the half day start and end time fields appear. Fill those in so parents know exactly what they're booking. Add the rest of your days, set your capacity, and save. If you need to add half day to a day later on, just open the camp, click Edit, and change that day's option. Save it. And the registration form will pick up the change automatically the next time you open it. To let parents sign up online, open the Actions menu on your class or camp and click Registration Form. Set your full day price. And for camps that allow half-day, set the half-day price too. If the half-day field is grayed out, that means no day in the camp allows half-day yet. Pop back into Edit Camp, enable it on at least one day, and it'll unlock here. You can also add tiered pricing. For example, a discount when families book 3 or more days. Add any custom fields you need. Dietary requirements, emergency contact, that kind of thing. Turn the form on and save. Copy the public link at the top of the dialog and share it in an email, an SMS, or on your website. That's it. Parents can now register and pay online. And that's the essentials: centre, class, term class, camp, and registration form. If you want to easily share all your classes with your students or add them directly to your website, go to Settings, then select Calendar Sharing. From here, enable the Public Calendar option. Once it is enabled, FCXHub will generate a shareable calendar link for your centre. You can send this link directly to students, parents, or members, so they can view your available classes and access the registration forms. You will also get an embed code that you can place on your own website, so your full class calendar appears there automatically. Here is an example of my test centre's shareable calendar, including the registration forms. Thanks for watching.